Yeah, my viewers, yes, subscribers, big up on yourself and you don't know what's a new link there. My people, I'm there right now, people are easy back because a news just touched new link, people. And me just decided to, you know what, I have to talk about the news right away. My people, because I can't believe, say, the other day I say, sister and sister wars, in brother, mother, son, daughter. Now people may say, brother, I kill brother. Zin, honestly now, people, what really are going on at Jamaica now? Zin? I know a lot of people are going to say, yo, new link, you always talk about Jamaica, like when some people normally do on a basis. But honestly now, people, we have to talk, this is real thing. Zin? Because in a place called Orange Street in Sheffield, in Westmoreland, people, a 40-year-old man is now dead by stab wound. You understand? And the people who do the killing, the person who do the killing is his own brother, people. His own brother living at the same yard. Well, it is said that these two brothers, they're in the yard and they have an argument, right? While the brother who died, he is 40 years old, as I tell you, and him take something, an object, and lick the other brother in him forehead, mash him up. So while him lick him now and maybe turn him back, people, the other brother pull a knife and stab him in his chest. The two of them was rushed to hospital because two of them get hurt. While the 40-year-old who get the stab pronounced dead, the other one, him they treated and his police them have him in custody right now for the murder of him own brother. But look at it now, people. For sure, you know, things can be avoided because these two men get in an argument and look at it. The man hit him in the forehead, bust you up with something, and the other brother takes something and stab him. How that look now? See? Two brother. If one of them could just walk away before this get into this big altercation. See me? Because sometimes, you know, let me tell you this, my people. You know, make no sense you live in a yard with somebody, see? Where every day you have argument, you have cuss, you have fuss. You know, make no sense. Because one day, new link I tell you this, it will reach to a level where things are going to get worse, my people. See? It now go up on the same level again. And this is how many families and friends and everybody fail to understand. See? Two wrongs don't make right. If me, honest people, if me, they in our work, you know, I be honest, you know, and me say like, the boss, them not rate me, the boss, them not like me, or what. You know what me I do? Me I go, in the meantime, I go look at different job. Me now go stay there. Because if I them a control the place and I say they not rate me, or whatever, management not rate me and there's something there, me not gonna come, me not gonna be no informer, I go report nobody, you know, people. Me just make a move, you know. Me go and know say my file good and my qualification good, you know. You understand? So me tell a man, no matter where you're there in a yard and say things that, you know, make you not argue on the fuss or fight. Because things are gonna lead to the other way when you have death. See it now? One day on ice, one in a police custody. And this will lead out to the one in a police custody, you see me being released. Because he say self-defense. Because he have a proof for sure say man mash up in forehead. And other relatives and family in the yard and see the whole argument and see everything what happened in the yard. So Anna like say, them never see it. You understand? So people know say a problem a go on. And a trouble in the camp long time. And I just stood the trouble in the camp, you know. Youths and youths, you have to be wise up, man. Stop waste life. Life now make them wait for waste. Zin? Go look over Meadows. Go look over Maple Cemetery. Go looking at all the cemetery them on the see now. Go and go looking at them. Go look on the pretty grave them now. Because remember the old time grave them, you know, it's some old ugly something them, you know. Go look on them new type of grave and see what's upon them. Be a young people picture. Be a young youth. Make sense? And you ever hear one of them come back and tell us, yo, you know, so done the sweet door. I'm not like me there now a different world and a different kingdom. Look how much joy you have on earth. Look how much fun you have. Look how much party you can go. Look how much girl you can have. You can buy big car, drive, pro life, live life, enjoy life. So why you not go waste the life at a young age? Eh? Why? 40-year-old not a life yet. Because you can live 40 more upon it. That are 80 more. Because I man live to 130 years old. So you can live to 120 or something. Eh? Or 80. Brethren, you know, wise up, man. Walk away, man. When I see problem and trouble, man, walk away. See? Yeah, man, I make you walk away, man. And have other things to deal with situation too. See? No matters can resolve without fight and argument, man. We don't need that. It pain me heart. Two brothers, you know, come from the same mother. See? I'm not sure if I see him daddy. But me I'm going to tell you, when a mother have it two of them, I know say I'm not jacket, but when a daddy can be jacket. But look at it, people. Boy, a straight attack one my viewers and my subscribers. You don't know a thing. No link production. We don't step attack. Attack New Link. Keep on attacking. Bless up my people. Enough love. Enough respect. I'm gone. I'm out. Grenada. Big up on yourself. And to the place over there so in Florida. Miami. I tell her, my lady, Miss Elaine. It's hard to remember the name. The name they really funny. I don't remember. But big up in Florida. With Elaine. Big up yourself in Florida. You understand? Big up the whole of USA still. The whole of Canada. The whole of America. The whole Caribbean country, them, man. St. Kitts, Nevis, Bermuda, Bahamas. You get me? I say? Everyone in a Cayman Island, St. Thomas, and all of them places. Aruba. Big up on yourself. Everybody in Aruba. New Link Zone. See me? I say? The whole of America, the whole England, the whole of Europe, all of France, Australia, Africa, everybody, man. Jamaica, Turks and Caicos. You see me? And New Link production, man. Guyana, big up on yourself. Martinique, enough love. New Link Zone. Montserrat, big up. Understand? These are some small islands we have to really big now because we got plenty thousands of fans in the small island. Them. So New Link, so big up on yourself. Because we don't know so the soon book New Link to come host and MC the show them though. Number one MC. We have the big show we got on the 7th for put up people. When I soon see it, I see it, clip them soon come when New Link post up with the big show there. So I say, people, live in a peace, live in love, unity with the brother and sister, nobody the war, and kill off one another, you see me? Yeah, man, they are cool out back in the machine and we just get it, people. See him? Just get him. See it? I'm showing you what I go on for New Link. Just get him. Just get him. One of them Mark X something there. Yeah, just get him. Nice doing, comfortable, so. Just go and relax now, man. So I do a vlog on him today. You see me? So enough love, people, and enough respect. Big up on yourself. Up.